This is Paranormal Short Session 4 by Keith Evans. Today is Saturday, 29th January 2022. I'm standing here still about 4 feet away from the digital alarm clock. And it's going from 0.0 milligauss to 0.2 milligauss to 0.1 milligauss. And tonight I'm, standing here just 4 foot away. So it looks like the ghosts and spirits are ready to get started. My theory is my digital alarm clock is a gathering place for ghosts and spirits, possibly a condo where ghosts and spirits like to live, and or possibly just like a nightclub where ghosts and spirits like to come and meet and hang out. But it's definitely an unusual digital alarm clock. Alright, let's move up closer, about 3 feet away. 0, 3 foot away. 0.1 standing still at about 3 foot away. 0.1 milligauss, 0.2 milligauss, 0.3 milligauss. Alright, I'm about 2 foot away, standing still. 0.1 milligauss. And the temperature is 72.3 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm standing still at 2 foot away, 0.2 milligauss. 0.3 milligauss. Alright, now I'm about a foot away. That's about 4.8 milligauss. 2.9, 2.2. Standing still at a foot away. 0.9 milligauss. It is 72.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm about 6 inches away. And now I'm 6 inches, about 33.2 milligauss. Now I'm about right on top of it. In front, 29.4 milligauss. 7.2 milligauss, 7.7 milligauss, 8.1 milligauss, Alright, now I'm going to move over to the left side of the digital alarm clock. That's 60, 38, 46. Like it's pretty high to the left of the digital alarm clock. 46.6 milligauss. 47.4 milligauss. I'm going to move over to the right side of the digital alarm clock. It appears to be lower here. 6.4, 2.8 milligauss. 2.7 milligauss, 2.9 milligauss. The right side is definitely the lowest level of milligauss for the last 2 nights. Alright, now I'm going to move to the back of the digital alarm clock. The back is relatively minor. 5.5 milligauss. Temperature is 72.3. Well, I'm going to stay at the back again, even though it seems to be relatively low. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I was tired tonight, so I went to sleep without doing any type of paranormal session, and then I kept having leg cramps. I guess it was the way the ghost of spirit saying, wake up and do a paranormal session. Alright, I'm going to utilize my thermal imager to show you the thermal image, and it says that my storage space is limited. I didn't delete anything for a while, so it might cut off on us again.